Alright everybody, welcome to my desk video and setup tour. The main purpose of this video is to show you this desk that I made myself. I made it last year when I was moving into a new place. Not this place, but a different place where I needed a new desk because I was using this old, ugly, super generic desk and I wanted something better. This is solid wood. It's strips of, I believe it was 2x6 or 2x8 planks that I got for free from a local trailer company. They use these 2x6 or 2x8 planks to ship trailers, and they stack the trailers on top of each other. And so these planks had a bunch of gouges and damaged areas. And so I took those, I cut out the parts that were damaged, I planed them, sanded them, finished them, glued them together in 1-inch square strips, and now I have this really nice looking desk. Feels nice, looks nice. The edges are rounded. Ignore all that. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. It's about 6 feet long by roughly 3 feet deep, and it's sitting on these IKEA Alex drawers, which I like quite a lot. They work real nice. They're nice and sturdy. This thing just doesn't move at all. And on top of the desk, I also built this monitor stand thing, or at least it was a monitor stand initially. I've since moved the monitors to this external stand, which I can show you. So now both of these monitors are on a single arm, and I can move them freely. This monitor I can move out of the way like so, and if I want to play piano, I can have main stage up on here and control the piano stuff, or I can use it like normal, like that, which is pretty cool. I got my webcam if I want to record or stream anything that doesn't need better quality. I've got this area here is dedicated to the cluttery stuff so that I don't have to have clutter on my actual desk space. I hate having stuff everywhere on my desk, and that's what I had to have previously when I just had a generic desk because it was too small. I didn't have a shelf area like this, and this just works way better. So got a Logitech G710 Plus. It's an old keyboard. Logitech really needs to support this, and G-Hub, they haven't done it yet. They said they're going to do it. Screw you, Logitech. Yamaha AG03 audio interface and mixer hooked up to my AT2035. That's what you're hearing me through right now. It's been recording all the audio. Got Mica MB42X speakers, I think. MB42X, that sounds right. Some lenses, some other crap on the desk. I have my Mac Mini, which is my computer at the moment. Some hard drives. That's my amplifier for the speakers. It's an SMSL SA50. We got an SD card reader because that thing doesn't have one for some reason. We have water because, drink more water. And I don't have my chair here, but it's a very unremarkable chair. I have a little stool just made out of a piece of wood, a subwoofer, and all the way under here, I can show you, there's an eGPU with an RX 580 in it. That works pretty well for the Mac for video editing and stuff. I also play some games in Windows Boot Camp with it, which isn't really supported, so it's kind of sketchy, but it works well enough for me at the moment. I've got an 8 terabyte hard drive over here that I use to back everything up. I also have a kind of sketchy desk light that I've rigged up here. This is an unfinished basement, so the ceiling I can hang stuff from. This is like my main YouTube set. I put a camera there. It's pretty cool. I like it for YouTube stuff. But yeah, that is my desk. Also HyperX clouds. I love these things. They're great. I will have affiliate links to some of these things if you want to buy them and help out the channel. It doesn't cost you anything. Please, my wallet is depleting. I need subscribers and ad revenue. Yay! Anyways, that's pretty much it aside from these lights, which are my main YouTube lights. I have links to them too. I don't know how to say their name because they're cheap Chinese, but they work. And thank you for watching the video. Like I said, please subscribe because it helps, and I'm broke and I can't keep sponsoring videos with my wallet. Yay, okay. See you guys in the next video.